Hey guys, it's me again with another iPad game. This iPad game is called Subway Surfers. I don't know if you know it, but some of you guys out there, I I I know that some of you guys out there has downloaded. So let's begin. I already played it, not so many times, but yeah, let's start this bitch. All right, Frankenstein. Is that fucking Frank? Oh wait, what is this? Oh, that's the. Wow! I believe I can fly. Okay, let's do this. You just gotta. Oh fuck. You just gotta swipe the screen and shit. And you're not gonna die. God damn it. Okay. It is Frankenstein, alright. Alright. Jump. Left. To the left, to the left, to the right, right, right. To the left, 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 on the right. Now let's duck, 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 right, left, jump down, right, fuck, oh, whoa, 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 oh, F, for fuck? No, for fresh. Alright, to the left, 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 what the fuck is this? On the right, 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 to the left, 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 on the side, side, side. Fuck you. Alright, jump, left, 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 on the right. I gotta fucking stop this, alright. Turn, turn, turn. Alright, Halloween. This one is a Halloween special because I was just going into a fucking hole of a pumpkin. What's this? Fresh, like a freshman. Being a freshman is totally freshman. God, oh fuck, no, don't fuck this up. What the fuck did I just fucking say to you? You dumb shit. Alright, let's get that. Let's get that. YOLO! Alright, look, the pumpkin. The pumpkin. Pump me. What? Is that a E? Yes, it is a E. Get the E. Get the E. Yes. Oh, now what? I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. Ah, god damn it. Stay right this. Oh, I don't care. Play. Right and left and right. Up. Left, left. How are you doing, guys? Good? Thanks. Me too. Ah, me too. Up, up, right. Get the S. Get the S from shit. Probably that's what it said. Fuck shit. Left, right, jump. I fucked. This fucking game, it's fucking. Shut the fuck up. Left, right, up, up, left, up, right. Get the pumpkin. Done diddly done. Didn't fucking get the fucking pumpkin. No, 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 no. Yes, yes. The H of fresh. I don't know why it is saying daily challenge completed. What? What is a fucking daily challenge? No! You fucking asshole! Why did you get that? Ah, no, you dumb bitch. Up in the sky, they're all trains. Now what? Gravity. Yes, but jetpack. I'm like Neil Armstrong. Or probably I'm just like a fucking dick whore in the asshole. No, no, no. Okay, I gotta shut up. Oh, get the coins. No, I fucked up. No. Do I have a skateboard? No, I don't. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, I'm going on the flow. I'm going on a roll. I'm going on a roll. This is what it's for. No, you fucking asshole. Fuck you. Ah. Let's see how long I'm recording right now. Oh, god damn it. Shit. Almost like 3 fucking minutes. No, almost like 5 minutes. Alright, let's give this another go. Fuck you, Britney Spears, and you're fucking to the God. This is not my iPad, by the way. This is my little brother's iPad. To the left. Go. Go. Oh my fucking. What is this kind of retarded bitch I have? You're not a bad boy. Get the fuck off. Change suit, you dumb dick. Will Smith. No, you're not. Will Smith is much badasser than you. Dumb whore. With your fucking fake dick. No, you almost fuck. I swear to God, if you fuck this up. You fuck. You freaking son of a. Look at this fucking. You call this a fucking Zeph shoot? Fuck you. Go fucking play with your goddamn toys or whatever. Let's give this another go. Let's jump on this. I don't know what the fuck. The environment is not so good. Hey, Pumpkin, give me a hug. Yes, let's go to the left. Yes, this is the left. Yes. Up. Frankenstein, stop following me. You headless bitch. Yes, finally. No, 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 no. Oh my god, I gotta end here. I gotta. Alright, guys. Like a favorite, leave it like. Ah, fuck my fucking asshole. Like a favorite if you enjoyed this iPad game. Subscribe to my channel, you don't have to. And I will see you guys in the next iPad game or tomorrow with another vlog. I got a new dick on my. No, that's crazy. That's gross. Alright. Like if you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye.